Welcome back to another video, and it's been a huge week of Amazon KDP updates. If you haven't heard about the new AI guidelines, then I already have a full video on this topic where I explain the new guidelines, and then a second video where I've actually uploaded a coloring book to my AI coloring brand and just talking about my experience. So you can watch part 1 and part 2. But in this video, I'll be giving you my thoughts on the new title creation limit, which has been highlighted to me by a few other KDPers. And definitely go check out Kim George's video on this topic. She's got a great channel and she has a wealth of knowledge with Amazon KDP. So what does this title creation limit actually involve? Now, if you want to read this for yourself, all you need to do is go over to the KDP Help Center homepage and then go to format your paperback book, and then it's under paperback submission guidelines. And if we have a read through it, it says that the title creation limit is to ensure a positive customer experience. We limit the number of titles you can create at the same time and within a specific period of time. If you expect to regularly create a large number of titles, please contact us to inquire about an exception. And here they actually have not specified if there is a daily upload limit, but I read through a few of the comments in the KDP community option at the top of the screen. And this particular comment from a customer was interesting, stating that the publishing limit exceeded, and actually took a screenshot of what came up when they tried to upload more than 3 books in one day. So it does look like it's 3 books a day at the moment, which I definitely believe is a good thing. We've seen for quite a few years now that the spammer situation has been out of control, and the introduction of AI has only compounded that. So it is definitely a step in the right direction. As it states here, Amazon wants to ensure a positive customer experience. It wants customers to keep on coming back and using Amazon. And the better experiences customers keep having, and the more products they keep buying, and the cycle goes on. And this is why it's also important that you make sure that you read through these content guidelines yourself as well. Don't rely on any person or YouTuber. Yes, there have been recent updates about AI content, but also make sure that you understand about legal or infringing content, offensive content, poor customer experience. And you can even read further on, as actually Amazon provides a guide to Kindle content quality. And in this, they talk about many factors such as identifying errors, typos, cover issues, image quality, formatting issues, disappointing content, and so on. So take the time to actually read through this and ensure that each time you upload a book that it meets these standards and it is quality. I think another thing to mention is we could potentially see KDP going in the direction of merch by Amazon and having some sort of tiered system, where within each tier you're limited to a specific number of uploads each day. And let's say you're in tier 10, then you're actually only able to upload 10 products, and you won't be tiered up until you at least make 8 to 10 sales. And once you make that amount of sales or more, then you move up to tier 25, tier 100, and so on. And whilst this can be frustrating for those in the lower tiers, those that are able to get sales can quickly see themselves move throughout the tiers and create more and more products. However, this is only just a thought at the moment. You can actually contact Amazon KDP and inquire for an exception if you do have a large number of titles to upload. And all you need to do is just click contact us and then manage your books and series. Go to enter book details and upload book content, and then you can either send an email, give them a call, or do a live chat if that's available. So thanks for watching another video, and let me know your thoughts on a new title creation limit in the comments.